Welcome to Echoes and Atoms, where history meets science and ideas echo across time. Today, we're plunging beneath the waves to explore the astonishing stories of lost underwater cities, ancient metropolises swallowed by the sea, preserved for millennia, and only now revealing their secrets. From Egypt to India, Greece to Japan, these submerged ruins challenge everything we think we know about the past. Get ready for a journey through time, technology, and mystery. Our first stop, the legendary city of Heracleion, once the bustling gateway to ancient Egypt. Built on unstable Nile Delta sediment, it fell victim to the relentless forces of nature. Earthquakes, liquefaction, and rising sea levels gradually pulled this magnificent city beneath the Mediterranean waves around the 8th century CE. But Heracleion's story doesn't end with its submersion. In fact, the underwater environment became its greatest protector. The same waters that claimed the city also preserved it in remarkable detail. For centuries, Heracleion was a myth mentioned by Herodotus, lost to memory until its rediscovery in 2000 by underwater archaeologist Frank Gaudio. Imagine descending into murky waters and suddenly being greeted by colossal granite statues, toppled but intact, temple foundations undisturbed, and delicate jewelry sparkling in the silt. The city's wealth of artifacts, from gold coins to ceremonial boats, paints a vivid picture of life in ancient Egypt's cosmopolitan port. How did so much survive? The answer lies in science. Low oxygen levels and deep sediments slow decay. The constant temperature and pressure create a stable environment. Even the alkaline Mediterranean waters help preserve stone and metal. But exploring these sites is no easy task. Visibility is often just a meter or two. Divers rely on touch and sonar mapping, carefully documenting every artifact's position before removal. Advanced technology side-scan sonar, sub-bottom profilers, and remotely operated vehicles has revolutionized our ability to find and study these hidden cities. Every expedition is a race against time, as shifting sands and currents threaten to erase the past forever. Now, let's travel east to the Arabian Sea and the legendary city of Dwarka. According to Hindu scriptures, Dwarka was the golden capital of Lord Krishna, a city of palaces, gardens, and bustling markets. Ancient texts tell of its submersion by the sea story, dismissed as myth for centuries. That changed in the 1980s, when marine archaeologist Dr. SRO discovered massive stone blocks, walls, and foundations off the coast of Gujarat. Some date back as far as 3500 BCE, older than Stonehenge. The construction techniques, massive stones fitted without mortar, suggest advanced engineering. Pottery, anchors, and other artifacts point to a thriving port city engaged in trade across the ancient world. Geological evidence backs up the story. Tectonic shifts and rising seas could have submerged Dwarka thousands of years ago. Controversy swirls around Dwarka. Some scientists argue the structures are natural. Others insist they're man-made. But the alignment with ancient texts, the organized city layout, and the sheer scale of the ruins make Dwarka one of archaeology's most tantalizing mysteries. Next, we dive to the southern coast of Japan, where the Yonaguni Monument has sparked fierce debate. Discovered in 1987, this massive structure features geometric terraces, straight edges, and what appeared to be carved steps, an underwater enigma. Marine geologist Masaki Kimura believes Yonaguni is a man-made complex, possibly dating back 10,000 years. He points to tool marks, carved symbols, and features resembling roads and a stadium. If true, this would rewrite the history of civilization in Asia. Skeptics, like geologist Robert Schoch, argue Yonaguni is a natural formation, shaped by tectonic forces and fracturing sandstone. But recent 3D scans reveal details that challenge simple explanations. Is Yonaguni a lost city or a geological oddity? The debate continues, fueled by every new discovery. Off the southern coast of Greece lies Pavlopetri, the world's oldest known underwater city. Dating back 5,000 years, this Bronze Age port predates even the Minoans. What sets Pavlopetri apart is its completeness. Streets, buildings, courtyards, and tombs all mapped in stunning detail. Discovered in 1967 and fully mapped in 2009 using 3D sonar, Pavlopetri reveals a sophisticated urban plan. Residential and commercial districts, evidence of trade with Crete and beyond, and advanced pottery techniques all point to a thriving, complex society. The city's gradual submersion, likely due to earthquakes and rising seas, meant residents had time to evacuate, leaving behind an intact ghost city beneath the waves. Pavlopetri offers a rare glimpse into daily life in the ancient world, preserved by the ocean's embrace. What do these underwater cities teach us? During the last ice age, sea levels were 120 meters lower. Entire coastal plains now lie beneath the sea, hiding untold secrets. As the ice melted, rising oceans claimed city after city. Tectonic activity added sudden disasters, earthquakes sinking land in minutes. Modern technology, autonomous underwater vehicles, advanced sonar, and new preservation techniques allows us to explore these lost worlds like never before. Each discovery forces us to rethink ancient capabilities. Urban planning at Pavlopetri, engineering at Dwarka, and the mysterious Yonaguni Monument all hint at knowledge lost to time. But these stories are more than just history. As climate change accelerates sea level rise, we face similar threats to our coastal cities. The past warns and inspires us. Civilizations can fall, but human curiosity and resilience endure. The ocean still holds countless secrets. Less than 1% of underwater archaeological sites have been explored. The next lost city could be waiting, just beneath the waves, ready to change what we know about human history. Which sunken city would you most want to explore?